Hi, welcome to the series of video to work with the VMware Workstation 15, and today is day 1. I will guide how to install the VMware Workstation Pro version 15 on Windows PC. Okay, so now let's get started. You open the browser and access to the vmware.com. Okay, and now click on the download button on the menus and go to the free product trial and demo. You click on Workstation Pro to download the file. Yeah, and here we have two versions. First one for Windows and the second one for Linux. And here I'm using the Windows, so I go ahead to download the version for Windows. Okay, depending on the network, it will take some minutes to get the file from the internet. Okay, and here to set the time, I already downloaded the file before. And now here we go ahead to click on this one, and here click on right click on this one and select run it as administrator. And here we are going to install the software on my PC, and this version of Windows I'm using is Windows 10. Okay, and at this time the version 15 of this software is latest. Click on next button. Okay, I accept the term. Next, leave it by default. And you can also change the location for install the file. And here I keep it by default. Next, uncheck this one. Next, and let it by default. Install. Okay, so here you can click on finish or click on license button. If you have the license key, you can click on license button, and otherwise click on finish button if you want to use the trial version. Okay, here I'm using a license. Okay, and click on the VMware Workstation Pro icon on my desktop to open the software. And here, okay, this is the dashboard of the software. You click on Have and view the license about information. And here you can see my license is no expiration date, and it has added the license to my software here. Okay, cool. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and see you later.